Welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen problem in Chrome browser. So friend, if you are facing black screen problem on your Chrome browser, so to fix there is simple and easy method. Firstly click on three dot. After click on setting. Scroll down. Click on advanced. Scroll down. And here option use hardware acceleration when you available. So toggle off position. That is. After click three dot and click on more tools. Here also extension, click on that is, and one by one all toggle off position like this. So guys, this is very easy and simple method if you want to black screen problem in Chrome browser. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.